This month of July was the most busiest month abhi tak. Do whatever you want to do, like whitewash everything, whatever you want to, just do it. But do not destroy that. I cannot bear that. I always believe that I always get better than what I ask for. It was also a way to, erase my past. I was at the rock bottom, and in order to cope up from that, I used to, use my creativity as a tool to get out of it. A signal to start fresh, to start better. And also, I don't know. Do not ask me why I chose the color white. Just do not ask me. I have no idea. Okay. Hi everyone, so this is me back, and this is going to be the part two of the room makeover series. I really do not want to talk. Alright, I'm full of energy right now, yes. I was saying that today is 26th of July, and almost a month has passed, and I have not yet decorated or renovated my room yet. Like you can see, this map is gone. The map is no more here, and like even the Loyal Brave shoe is also
काम
gone.
स्टार्ट हो गया
So
गाइस. डैम, ये हटा दिया. शिट. कैन नॉट टेल यू, ये मुझे मेरा खुद का कमरा लग ही नहीं रहा है. मेरे को रेनोवेशन जल्दी से जल्दी करना पड़ेगा ताकि मुझे फील हो पाए कि दैट दिस इज़ माई ओन कमरा. आई रियली फेल्ट कि कमरा जब पेंट हो जाएगा उसके बाद मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. अच्छा लग रहा है, आई वुड नॉट डिनाई दैट फैक्ट, बट मुझे अपना पुराना कमरा ज़्यादा मिस कर रही हूँ मैं. बट जो मैंने पेंट किया था वॉल पेंट, स्पेशली लॉयल ब्रेव एंड ट्रू, बट एवरी थिंग इज़ गॉन नाउ. Everything is gone. Look at this. Every single thing is gone.
what actually happened is that I went for some work and I was not at home, and but I knew that the काम चल रहा है, पेंटिंग वेंटिंग हो रही है, पेंटिंग से पहले वाइट वॉशिंग हो रही थी. I also talked to the painter भैया before he started painting my room, and I told him that कि ये लॉयल ब्रेव एंड ट्रू बच सकता है क्या, मतलब लाइक कैन यू डू समथिंग ताकि ये ना हटे. Do whatever you want to do, like whitewash everything, whatever you want to, just do it, but do not destroy that. I cannot bear that. But when I came back, I just thought कि मैं इसको रिकॉर्ड भी करती हूँ एक टाइप से, मेरा रिएक्शन भी रिकॉर्ड हो जाएगा और मेरा देखना भी हो जाएगा कि क्या क्या काम हुआ है घर पे. एंड व्हेन आई केम अप एंड I came up to see, uh, Aloe Brave True was completely gone. It was completely whitewashed. Completely. Not even a bit of it was left. Everything was whitewashed. Even this, every wall was whitewashed. इतना जल्दी कोई काम कैसे कर लेता है? Like दो painters थे, so they did it very swiftly, and everything was gone. They did not give me even time to grieve about it that it is going. But yeah, but when I came back, there was no moment of grief. It was a harsh acceptance that it's gone now, and I always believe that I always get better than what I ask for. I always get better, no matter how big I ask, how big I desire. I always get better. Having that in my mind, I just felt like, fine, okay, I accept this. Okay, now there's an opportunity for me to redecorate everything from scratch. I can have like this fresh start. I can have this, um I can do much better what I did in past. So yeah, it was also a way to erase my past, because the time when I just decorated my camera was when I was at my lowest. I was at the rock bottom, and in order to cope up from that, I used to use my creativity as a tool to get out of it. So I did all my creativity on my walls. So yes, so in a way, yes, it was a way, but it was also, it was also like painting my thoughts, my energy into my room also. which actually shifted the energy of this room. But after it got whitewashed, everything was erased, everything was like fresh thing. I just felt that I'm living in a new room. This is not what it was. Everything is changed. I have this clarity in my mind. I had this, something, a signal to start fresh, to start better. I have time to get better. So yeah, it was a good thing in a way. And also, I don't know, do not ask me why I chose the color white. Just do not ask me, I have no idea. This floor is all painted in pink. It is pastel pink and white, all right. And I don't know why I did not paint my room pink. I although I have started loving pink again. Like, I have like so many things which are pink. This clutcher is also pink. My lipstick is also pink. A lot of things right now, it's pink. I don't know why I choose this color white, but I just feel that it reflects everything. So yeah, white has different kind of energy, I guess. Yeah, but right now, as I told you in the last video, that the time when I was decorating my room was different than what it is today. So I this month of July was the most busiest month abhi tak. Take it, like no other month was as busy as this. So also, it's so busy that I did not even work for this video. I am recording this video on 26th of July. It's like only 4 to 5 days are left before this month end. I think I need another video to yap about what is actually happened in this. So yeah, this video is going to be this a very tiny update about what is there in my room right now. I will also